Alright guys, you saw in the last video, we got this motor out of somebody's shed. We got it all cleaned up. Now we're going to put it on the engine stand, tear it down, and make sure that it's good to build. First thing y'all need to know is this here's a 4L60E and they are junk.
Built by Chevy, runs like Ford.
We don't want this piece of junk. We're going to get it off of here. Need a little wiggle wiggle. A little bit of wiggle wiggle. Yeet. Throw that trash can where it belongs. Oh yeah. Yeah, it might still be worth it. To any prospective buyers of this fine unit, it's not junk. It's great.
Top notch.
But for us, it's junk. That's good rock right there. That's too fast. Try it again. That's not it. I lied, okay? I've never done this. I needed this job. Let the tear down commence. All these head bolts loose and off. A bit of water in there. We made a mess. Oh no. tearing apart this motor. What are y'all doing? Woohoo! Yeah! Busted knuckles! It's a leader!
Got another!
Oh, you want to be a Christian catcher? Nikki?
Give me some gloves. Hey!
I done caught your pistol.
That's your good girl. It's like giving birth.
I thought you were catching it.
Well, I caught it
Oil.
right in the oil. So we'll try again. All two-hander.
Good call.
Okay.
Screw that on the right way.
That way? Is that it?
The right way.
Oh, I don't know if this is the right way.
Just yeah, just make sure you're screwing it on the right way, and then it'll be right.
Is that right, Tanner?
Whenever you.
Gotta be the right way. Look.
Yeah, looks like it. There we go.
Okay, so there's a small irregularity right there. A good rule of thumb is take your fingernail and run across it, and if you can not feel it with your fingernail, you're fine. Let's look at this
Otherwise,
next
you
one.
have to hone it out.
This one is perfect, and this one, now it does have a little bit of choppiness here, and I can feel that, so we will have to hone this one.
Looks like a skirt rub.
Yes, it does.
Skirt.
So our next step is to get all of this off the front, and we've got to pull the cam out. But in order to do that, we have to go rent a tool to pull this balancer. So we'll get back on the video as soon as we go get that done. Nope. All right, guys, we were not able to get our hands on this pulley puller, but we think we have a solution. We're just going to heat it up with a torch and yank it off. So we'll see how that goes.
Told you to get me. You needed a pulley to pull overhead.
Well, that was easy.
You didn't even need the big one.
Suspiciously easy. Huh?
What's OSHA?
Huh?
What's OSHA?
I don't know. You know what else I don't know? How to run a torch good. I don't even have the right stripe thing. I just use this candle lighter.
That's plugged up.
Doesn't work apparently. Hey. Gorgeous. All right.
Take one.
Oxygen. Bring that back over here. That's a hot flame. Okay, you ready to go? Okay, it'll take probably 45 seconds to a minute worth of heating. Go ahead and try it. Boys, I think my idea didn't work.
Yep.
Well, slide the torch back up. Can't be tight if it's a liquid. What does that look? Alright, let's put our thinking caps on. It's probably not going to work. we're gonna get the right stuff and then continue the video.
Did you YouTube how to do this?
No, we are YouTube. We are the ones who show people how to do this.
That's not professional.
You need a professional YouTuber.
No.
Chris fixed.
You think like they don't want those to come off or something?
Now, if it's on an LS1, they would have, or LS1 or 2, they would have backed themselves off already.
Why didn't you get one of them?
Get enough subscribers and I will.
There's more to do except goof off and get nothing done.
So that's what we were doing.
We should be able to accomplish that. Well, we asked the guy who works at GM, what do you guys do when you don't have the proper tools?
Wait for snap-on.
When does he come?
I got an idea of it like that block.
I'd love to hear about it.
Pulls 2 pieces of chain, that tractor and that pickup.
Oh, I didn't think of
We're
that.
totally not going to try that though.
This guy says
We're trying it.
steering wheel puller.
Dude, yeah, we can chain onto this thing. I mean, we've got some universal pullers, but I don't think they really work very good on this. Ta-da! Seems about the right size.
If that damn thing works, like I'm going to be angry.
This is not gonna work.
Why not?
I don't think they'll grab the way that pulley's made.
Hashtag down there.
You have one of those fancy balances.
Well, now it's just spinning. This isn't gonna work. Hey, hold on to that with your bare hands.
Or put a screwdriver through one of the holes in the flywheel.
No. That wouldn't burn anyone. You act like you don't want us to get hurt. This might actually work.
Using a pulley puller to pull a pulley?
Who would have thought? Get stronger.
Come on, Brent.
What?
Back into it.
Back? How would I hold a ratchet with my back? Hey, it's coming.
We're breathing hard.
Oh my goodness.
Tanner, that's dirty. You can't say that on YouTube.
What?
Kind of did.
Ah!
I think that's karma.
It's coming out! Oh, why did it get harder again?
YouTube?
Yeah! Wow!
Well,
Well, you didn't break it.
Told you I needed these safety glasses.
you guys are so dumb.
Oh, I know why it got harder again. We're up against the bolt. Well, that was stupid.
This is pretty normal.
I guess back the bolts off a little bit.
Yeah, well.
Now to do the same thing all over again.
To be honest, I didn't think that far ahead because I didn't think we would make it this far.
We made it this far.
Pretty valid point.
There's not game for that. Look at his face. If he was
I see it moving.
See, is that
Oh!
Can't believe you ever doubted me.
This is Floyd up.
easy? Hey, can you sit down real quick?
Hang on. There he is. There he is. Get him. Ah! Out of the water pump. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
That's what you need.
Explain to me what you're trying to do.
We were trying to pull this cam out.
Also called a wand load. The low wand.
The
That-
low wand.
Yes, that one.
And we're gonna attempt to do it without pulling the cam plate out.
You waited till now to tell me that.
I was really excited to see how you did it.
You're totally gonna cut that.
That's video gold.
Yeah, that's a lot more resistance than I remember.
No, wait. Let's make a pact, boys. We don't look at the cam bearings.
Agreed.
If you look at them, they'll be bad.
Dude,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Tanner's gonna have to go to the machine shop.
Sometimes it's really good, sometimes it's shit.
When you hang out with Brant, it's normally not really good.
It's true.
You know what the problem is? It's not fully dilated.
It's not really tight. I guess we'll just have to wait. Do you need an epidural?
Run some Pitocin in it. It'll finish it up. Makes it die.
Only people that watch this who have had kids will get that.
Oh my goodness. The hole's too tight. Oh! Oh! Is it a boy or a girl?
Well, this is, I'd say that's about 475 lift. That's definitely a girl cam.
Come on, get stronger. Put your back into it, hun.
How is this gonna help?
You got a gear.
Do I have a gear on me?
You have a pretty, almost perfect gear.
Take off the kid gloves.
Oh, it's inching its way out. Look.
Got about this much left.
Nope.
Oh.
It's still tight. Maybe it's only this front cam bearing that's tight, and all the rest are fine. That'd be okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at it.
Would you just look at it?
Would you just look at
Sometimes
it?
you gotta stop and say, just look at it.
Just look at it.
What happened to not looking at the bearings?
You guys looked at them, and now they're bad. So Brian, you're service right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what the shop time is on a rebuild like this? I just want to know so I can send Tanner a bill to spare.
R&R is 18 hours. Just to
18 hours.
and that's R&R. That's transferring the water pump and everything. Total tear down, I believe, is 26.
So we got our race motor all tore down. We like the crank. It's in good shape. We're not going to do anything to that. We are going to have to replace this oil pump and all of the cam bearings because they are trash. The cylinder walls are all in great shape. Yeah, except for one that will need a little bit of honing. Nothing major. So now we've got to order a bunch of parts and jam it back together. Like and subscribe or whatever.